is a very sad day. Today, we lost one of the very finest actors of all time. Irfan sir had been admitted to a hospital in Mumbai on Tuesday, 28th April, after suffering from a colon infection. Following a period of deteriorating health, he died on 29th April 2020. Shahabzadeh Irfan Ali Khan was born in Jaipur to a lower middle class family. His father used to sell tires there. Once in an interview, he told that he and his siblings were not allowed to watch movies in childhood, and the only exception was when their visiting uncle took them to the theatre. To many people's surprise, his first dream was to become a professional cricketer. He was even selected for the CK Naidu tournament but couldn't participate in the tournament due to lack of funds. Just imagine what film industry would have missed if he had gone on to play cricket. But fortunately, he got a scholarship to study at prestigious National School of Drama located in Delhi in 1984. He got his first break in Meera Nayar's critically acclaimed and Academy Award nominated Salaam Bombay in 1988. Even after a big break like this, he struggled to enter the Indian film industry and went on to work in the various television shows until the early 2000s. Irfan sir's breakthrough role came from an unlikely source. The feature debut of then unknown British director Asif Kapadia, whose low-budget samurai-esque tale, The Warrior, was shot in India. Released in 2002, The Warrior was selected for the prestigious San Sebastian Film Festival and won the BAFTA Award for the Best British Film. Irfan sir subsequently broke into mainstream Indian films, often playing cops or villains, including the title role in Vishal Bhardwaj's Maqbool. But appreciation for his talent from masses in India came after Anurag Basu's Life in a Metro, in which he played a socially inept man. After that, everybody started taking him seriously as an actor, and he did excellent work both in the Indian as well as the Western film industry. There is an endless list of awards won by Irfan sir, including Padma Shri in 2011. Tigmanshu Dhulia's Pan Singh Tomar in 2012, in which he played a role of an athlete turned dacoit, established him as an A-list actor in Bollywood. With pouring offers even from Hollywood, he is a well-respected personality worldwide. He has starred in The Namesake, The Darjeeling Limited, the Academy Award-winning film Slumdog Millionaire, New York, I Love You, Amazing Spider-Man, Life of Pi, Jurassic World, and Inferno. Interestingly, he was even offered the role in Christopher Nolan's Interstellar, but couldn't take it due to clashing of dates with his ongoing projects. The role later was given to Matt Damon. In 2013, he played the role of a middle-aged accountant in Ritesh Batra's well-celebrated movie The Lunchbox, which garnered him Best Actor awards from all major international film festivals. After this, he was on a hot streak, playing characters in a wide range of cinema, from masala entertainers to heart-wrenching dramas to light-hearted comedies. In March 2018, he announced on Twitter that he has been diagnosed with a rare case of neuroendocrine tumor, following which he was being treated in London. With God's grace, the treatment was successful, and upon his return, he started working on his comeback film, Angrezi Medium. Angrezi Medium released in theaters in March 2020, and it opened with positive reviews from critics and public alike. But its run on theaters was cut short due to COVID-19 pandemic. Little did we know that this was going to be his last appearance on the big screen. Today, film fraternity all over the world mourn on the sorrowful demise of this bright star. We are now left only with his glorious memories and a legacy which will keep inspiring artists everywhere. Thank you.